Want to know where your new phone or accessory is? The T-Mobile app makes it easy. First, open the app. Log in using your T-Mobile ID, phone number, or biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID. Navigate to the Orders or Account tab. Here, you'll find a list of your recent orders. Select the specific order you want to track. You'll see the current status, such as processing, shipped, out for delivery, or delivered, along with timestamps. For shipped orders, tap the provided tracking link to view detailed information and a GPS map via FedEx or UPS. T-Mobile's app resolves 85% of order-related queries, so it's the quickest way to get updates. When an item is out of stock, it's placed on backorder. The T-Mobile app will notify you of the delay, often due to high demand for popular devices like the latest smartphones. The app displays estimated fulfillment dates and offers options to cancel or modify your order directly from the Smart Order Hub dashboard. In some cases, you might be able to prioritize your order or choose a similar in-stock alternative. The T-Mobile Assistant chatbot proactively alerts users to order issues, reducing the need for support calls. Ensure your app is up to date to avoid potential issues during firmware updates and tracking delays. Real-time syncing prevents discrepancies between the app and website,